Before you begin the course, I would like to share with you about the student interface here on Udemy. Now, once you purchase the course, you will have a tab that says Continue to Course. I want you to click that. Now, the next screen you will see will look similar to this. Now, this is a class that I am currently enrolled. You will notice that there are some tabs. You have the overview, you have the course content, the Q&A, the bookmarks, announcement, and options. So I'm going to give you just a quick overview of the first three. So let's take a look at the overview tab. On the overview tab, you will see two sections at the top. That's recent questions and recent instructor announcement. Now, under recent questions, I like to call this the message board. You will see if anybody has a question, if anybody in the class, even other than the instructor, is responding, you can see that information. So you can put questions or you can put comments here. The recent instructor announcement is like you say about once a month or so, we may send out something and it'll be there in the recent instructor announcement. Now, at the bottom of this page is pretty much the same information you saw on the landing page, which is the page that got you to this particular class. So let's go to the next tab. Well, before we go to course content, let's look at the Q&A. Now, Q&A, this is where you go to leave a comment or to ask a question. So anything that you type here, it will show up under the overview tab under recent questions. All right, let's go back to the course content. Under the course content tab, this is when you can see all the sections in the class. So you can choose what particular section you want to learn. Now you can start at the top and let the video just run. No problem. But let's say you have a particular area you want to focus on. Now, let me just pick one and I'll show you what happens. So when I pick one and I show you what happens, you will actually see, if you look to the left, you will see a tab that says resources available. If you see that, that means that there is something to download, either a Word document or a PDF for this particular lesson. Now, you can watch the video. When you're finished watching the video, if it's another video next to it, it will automatically play to the next video. If it does not play, then I want you to go ahead and click the green button that says continue. Now, let's say you have to stop and you have to go somewhere and you just need to stop at this point. Then what you want to do is click go back to dashboard. Now that would take you back to the page where you can see all your particular tabs. Now, when you are finished the course, let's talk about ratings and reviews. Now, ratings and reviews are very helpful to the instructor. That lets the instructor know that you found some type of value in this particular class. You got something out of it. It'll help you in some type of way. So you come up here and you click on here and you can leave a review. It's easy to say that, hey, I like this about the class, or this is a good class for. You know, you can leave your review and then you can leave a rating. Now, let's say you are finished and you want to get a certificate. So if you want to get a certificate, you have to complete all the lessons and then you click on the small trophy. Now, Udemy will then email you your certificate as a PDF, or it may be available for a download on the platform as a PDF. It will have your name on it saying you completed this course. Okay, well, that's it for the overview. I hope this was helpful.